In here, we'll explore the push notifications feature, which enables applications to deliver timely updates and notifications to users' devices, even when the application is not actively in use. Push notifications appear on users' screens as alerts, messages, or badges, keeping them informed and engaged with relevant information from the application. Let's take a look at how to create a push notification. Navigate to the Push Notification tab and click on the Create New button on the top right. This will take you to the Create Push Notification screen. There are 4 main sections to fill out: Notification Details, Scope, Delivery Details, and View Link Notifications. In the Notification Details section, customize the title and message of your notification. You can also include an image for a personalized and engaging notification experience. Next, in the Scope section, specify the target audience for the notification. This ensures that your message reaches the right users. Content managers can choose to send the notification to all users, selected user groups, or even selected single users or multiple users. In the Delivery Details section, provide information related to the method and timing of delivery for the push notifications. This allows you to schedule when and how your notification will be sent.